Fetch.ai for the most part is a creative stage that associates Web of Things gadgets and calculations for aggregate learning. It is based on a high-throughput shared record. The engineering of fetch.ai conveys extraordinary by and large truth agreement capacity that can generally send AI or man-made brainpower arrangements, which helps in decentralized critical thinking in an unobtrusive way. Here we will talk about the point-by-point outline of the fetch.ai cost expectation. Open source instruments given by the fetch.ai stage permit clients to make different environment framework and convey new plug models, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Fetch.ai incorporates a global group of specialists chipping away at the assembly of blockchain, man-made reasoning, and multi-specialist frameworks. It deals with an exceptionally versatile cutting-edge disseminated record innovation and joins AI, which is genuinely critical. The environment of open-access tokenized really decentralized AI networks for Brilliant Foundation incorporates multi-specialist frameworks, AI, and cryptography to work with a for the most part decentralized computerized economy in an unpretentious manner. Fetch.ai was established in 2017 with a group of specialists, including Humayun Sheikh, the president and fellow benefactor of the venture, and Toby Simpson, Thomas Hain, and Jonathan Ward. The organization's fundamental accomplices incorporate Bosch, German assembling, and innovation work with Fetch.ai to send off a kind of completely useful blockchain network v20 mainnet. Festo Group joined forces with Fetch.ai to send off a really decentralized assembling commercial center. Catena X, Imaginative Telecom Research Centers, Fireblocks, YOTI, and so on, are other principal accomplices of the biological system. Fetch.ai has gotten together with OpenDAO and OCP. The holders of FET on Binance kind of savvy chain can utilize them for marking and the trading of OMNIC token, stamping USDO stablecoin. Uniqueness and use instances of Fetch.ai. It is critical to know how clients perform undertakings on a site. What basically are the utilization cases? Through insightful information sharing and man-made consciousness, Fetch.ai attempts to take care of the regular issues of organizations that utilization ML and simulated intelligence. With the assistance of purpose cases, it assists with working on the productivity through enhancement of existing frameworks. Independent sort of artificial intelligence travel planners. They help generally lay out an immediate association among purchaser and supplier, consequently limiting the expense of go-betweens, which diminishes the job of incorporated aggregators and administration. FetPower computer-based intelligence travel planners that associate the client straightforwardly with the supplier guarantee protection, better worth, and customized insight. Clients can move the vital information required for appointments straightforwardly with the in or supplier. There is compelling reason need to enter that in an outsider site. This additionally evades stowed-away charges or installments emerging from the side of the outsider site. Fetch.ai helps the client for a tremendous expense decrease, efficient, keeping protection with delicate information. The specialized investigation of the Fetch.ai coin on the truly day-to-day graph assigns the ongoing cost of FET 31 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,857,438.92 across significant stages. Fetch.ai has a kind of all-out market cap of $236,209,130.26 with a circling supply of 746,113,681 FET coins. The above graph shows the pattern line of the diminishing cost. Assuming that the cost actually falls, the prompt help generally is 24 cents and especially significant help is 17 cents. Fetch.ai cost has generally contacted a record-breaking high of $1.19 on September 8, 2021, the day after which most cryptographic money and altcoin crashed because of the declaration of Bitcoin as a legitimate delegate in El Salvador. After the greatest cost, the coin exchanged negatively, and the FET cost hung in a 50 cents to $1 territory with a normal of 65 cents more often than not with moderately genuinely low volume in an unpretentious manner. Since the cost hanging inside the equal reach, backing and obstruction are set exceptionally close by. A quick obstruction level is 37 cents. FET in every practical sense has tried this opposition level for 3 exchanging meetings. Crossing this obstruction level can bring it into the following opposition level put at 43 cents, which is pivotal for FET to escape from sideways development in a significant manner. It is a huge obstruction level that can take the FET cost to cross the most elevated levels, which is very critical. Quick help is put at 28 cents. Any fall underneath this will wind up Fetch.ai at 24 cents. The truly significant help is put at the degree of 19 cents incredibly. Specialized pointers on outline. Relative strength record is around 35.43. MACD line is beneath the sign line. The typical directional file especially is in an unbiased course amazingly. It could go up. The three critical markers for the most part are somewhat bullish, not showing any signs of a prompt fall. Looking at a portion of the extra specialized markers, FET cost generally is beneath its 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA. On equilibrium, volume is showing a decent sign. And the trepidation and veracity pointer basically is around 46, and that implies the merchants and financial backers of FET generally are certain. Nonetheless, it is perceptible in the graph that, in the majority of the day-to-day exchanging meetings, the wick of the light is huge and the body by and large is little. There isn't by and large much distinction between opening cost and shutting cost for a day, and that implies FET is profoundly unpredictable on single exchanging meetings, or so they generally thought. However, according to our conjecture, dealers can search for a beneficial exchange with these developments. Fetch.ai Value Forecast 2022. Fetch.ai cost expectations for 2022 shows the base cost to reach 39 cents. The typical cost is supposed to generally be around 41 cents. The greatest cost of Fetch.ai FET will be around 44 cents according to our Fetch.ai coin cost expectation. Fetch.ai Value Forecast 2023. Fetch.ai FET cost expectation for 2023 most certainly shows that the Symbolic's worth will exchange around 53 cents at the outset. The cost of Fetch.ai will contact a limit of 55 cents before the year's over incredibly. The typical value level of FET coin will fundamentally be 47 cents. Fetch.ai Value Forecast 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Fetch.ai cost expectation for future venture chances of 2024 shows that the worth of FET crypto will contact a greatest value level of 53 cents in 2024. The typical cost of Fetch.ai is supposed to really reach 46 cents. In view of our estimate, dealers can produce heavy cash long haul assuming they contribute at the ongoing cost level. Fetch.ai Value Expectation 2025. FET cost expectation for 2025 generally is anticipated to be exceptionally bullish, which is very huge. The people who especially have Fetch.ai cryptographic money in their portfolio can expect a decent return by 2025. The FET cost will contact a kind of limit of 73 cents. And in the event that financial backers especially are bullish and the crypto market inclines toward any certain news occurring on Get can help value activity to make a spike at 54 cents according to our estimate. The typical cost of Fetch.ai for 2025 is anticipated at 63 cents level. Fetch.ai Value Expectation 2026. Despite the fact that Fetch.ai's future cost pattern in a real sense is looking positive, putting resources into the digital currency market implies an adequate measure of hazard since it is profoundly unstable. In opposition to prevalent thinking, brokers can basically put away their cash at the same time. Their own examination and appropriate venture counsel are important prior to money management. They ought to consider the market pattern of Fetch.ai FET cost, news, worldwide signs, crypto economy when to contribute so they will generally get a decent return. As indicated by our value estimate of Fetch.ai, the coin cost is determined to essentially stretch around a base worth of 51 cents. The Fetch.ai worth can arrive at a greatest degree of 62 cents with a typical exchanging worth of 57 cents in a significant manner.